there are a lot of things that keep happening around us. कुछ ना कुछ होता ही रहता है. Either it's some problem, some protest, some issue, some war, some corruption, some scandal. If not anything, then the film industry or some social media personality, something or the other constantly is wanting our attention, and it keeps us away from our own mindset. We have allowed all sorts of crap to just come and crowd our headspace, and my opinion is that that is one of the main reasons why we are not able to create the life experience that we could for ourselves. So I am advocating for selfishness. Be selfish. Mind your own business. You think this is the last protest? You think this is the last scandal? This is the last objectionable thing that's happening in the world? No. There are a million lined up, just like these, if not worse, one after the other. So the question is, what are we going to do about it? Are we going to focus on our slice of life and experience that we can control? Or are we going to constantly be extroverted? Our mind is constantly busy with things that don't yield us anything. So I am actually asking you to put your head in the sand, ignore everything else on the outside, and focus only on what is happening inside your mind. What have you allowed to take place inside your mind? What is the worldview that you believe in? Do you believe that the world sucks? Do you believe that this sucks and that sucks and it's so unfair and this and that? You tell me, with such a mindset, what do you think you're going to be able to accomplish? If that is the filter that's there on your eyes, is that a filter of a happy person? Is that a great point of view? No, it's not. So I am not even opining on who's right, who's wrong, and this president, that prime minister, this war, that country. I really couldn't care. I did care up until a point. When I had social media accounts, I don't have them anymore, and I can't tell you how happy I am. So I'm advocating for you to mind your own goddamn business. Mind your mind. Be very careful about what you allow to come and make space, a permanent or at least a semi-permanent space in your mind, because your entire world, your entire world, your life is a reflection of what you think. Yeah, you may or may not believe it, but at least I do. I believe in the law of assumption. I believe in the law of reflection, that this is just a reflection of how I view things. जैसे दृष्टि वैसी सृष्टि, ये भी आपने सुना होगा. So there are, we can debate about it till the cows come home. But if you're on this channel, then you know that I will talk about manifestation, and all these things are keeping you away from who you could be. It's keeping you away from your best life. It's keeping you away from becoming and being who you could be on a day-to-day basis. You're just getting engrossed in things that are not going to yield any result for you. And why should you not be important in your own life? See, your friends are not going to tell you this, nor are your parents, nor are your teachers, nor are the people who are actually creating this outrage, and no politician is going to say, please just ignore all this and just focus on your own life. But I am telling you this. Ignore all this and focus on your own mind. Focus on where your mental efforts are going. This is endless. Okay? So focus on what you can do to better your own life, because that's the only thing that you can control. I am also speaking from these mistakes that I have made. I've wasted a lot of my mental energy behind all this, and I'm asking you to save yours. If you think that I'm asking you to be selfish, to be self-centered, yes, Yes, that is the message. Save this. Mind your own business. Be selfish.